In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn how active data staging can make your job easier by creating a solid foundation of your enterprise reporting. Today, businesses require the right information at the right time to survive. Strategic reporting, dashboards, analytics, charts, and graphs are no longer an option. They're essential. The challenge is, your data is scattered all over your company, hidden away in various databases and files. To build successful enterprise reporting and still stay in control, you have to start with having your data all in one place. That's where active data staging comes in. Active data staging gives you flexibility to move data from any source to any target database. The ability to only process changed data so you don't bog down your systems. Track your data changes over time with slowly changing dimension logic. Create instant code for fast results without costly programmers. And maintain data quality via automated code generation, which reduces your testing time. For project managers, active data staging gives you a quality data foundation. It's faster. No coding means no development time. Deploy in minutes, not months. It's economical. No coding means no programs to maintain. It's secure and mitigates development project risks. And it's simple to deploy and maintain. Discover how Wyntec's active data staging brings your reporting project to life without the common pitfalls you've had in the past. Plus, you could try out the free version of our A2B data product and implement all the active data staging concepts so your project can benefit right away. Discover the best way to stage data. Contact us today to get started.